Boom! Let's see if it clears the hood. Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcoleptic Customs. Are you ready for the big payoff today? Today, we're gonna start mounting the turbo stuff onto Stanley. So the goal is to basically, for this video, is to get the old stuff out of the way and get the new stuff mounted. Now the plan is for me to drive it like that to Heroes and Hot Rods and do that, and then we'll come back and we'll start on the cold side after that show. So let's get started working. If this is your first time seeing Stanley, it's a 1966 GMC truck that my grandfather bought in '67. It now has an 05 Gen 4 4.8 with 208,000 miles on it, 4L80 and a 12 bolt. All right guys, let me give you a rundown here. All the way down to the bottom down there. All right, if you've been watching for a while, you'll know we used 2010 Camaro SS manifolds that we got after Ken Croft upgraded his to shorties. I ended up having to cut some manifold or some gasket material. Whew, it looks bad. So anyways, that's what they are. So we'll pull the other side off and get started installing. With where the turbo is going to be placed, which is right here, we're going to have to move this out of the way. So I'm going to get it pulled off now, and that way we'll start on this side with mocking the turbo manifold up. We are about to mount the manifold, but you can see here I had to kind of clearance the firewall a little bit. So I should have really modified this in the truck, but live and learn. Oh guys, oh. Passenger side is mounted. It even clears way down there at the bottom, clears the little tab there. So I've got to lengthen this hose here that runs to the throttle body, so it'll, because it touches. But yeah, we're on that side. All right guys, time to get the truck jacked up and get under there and put this on. And that doesn't get any easier. All right guys, fits perfect. I'm fixing them out that side, but we actually are only about half an inch lower than the cross member. So guys, it is tightened down and it fits. It clears everything. This is gonna be so awesome. All I'm getting it ready for today is just so we can get out to the Heroes and Hot Rods car show next weekend, right? So I've got to get the I need to mount the drain probably before that, so it'll be easier. Okay, so we have the drain on there now, and we'll work on getting the drain down to the pan. Alrighty, kind of excited about this. Quit. One of the easy ones, because doing this one-handed is gonna suck. Okay. So I was live on Facebook there, so you can go back and see that video. But for you, everybody watching on YouTube, boom! Woo! That's gonna be awesome. So awesome. All right, let's get to work. Let's see if it clears the hood. Oh. By a bunch. All right, guys. Old feed line is on, but we're going to go ahead and put the downpipe on now so I can start figuring out where to put the O2 ports. That way when I get some gas this week for the welder, we can put it on. We can weld them in. All right, guys, it is mounted where it's going to be. You can see down there how it's going to dump. Okay, so then we have it here, and then it will run under the truck back that way with a muffler right in front of the back tire. We also have a 90-degree that'll come out right here under the fender. Okay, so I think I'm going to actually have the guys at Midas come in and kind of bend this up a little bit right here so I can fit it tighter to the body. It's not as close as I would like, which puts me in a weird spot for the exhaust. I don't want it hanging down too much, but you guys can kind of see the dump. Obviously we'll cut it at the body line there, but kind of give you an idea for the dump there. All right, guys, I think that's it for tonight. I am wore out. I was out of town early in the week and never got caught back up. So what we've got to do is we've got to move the coil packs over here somewhere, because obviously this doesn't reach to the coil, and it would also be on the pipe, which is not good. So I'm going to basically build some inner fenders, I think, at some point soon. But until then, we've got to get the coils done ASAP so we can get those, so we can drive it and make sure there's no exhaust leaks or anything like that. So that's it for this one. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming for Stanley and all the other stuff we've got going. Should have some driving video next week of it. Obviously don't have the cold side done or anything like that. Really wanted to do this part so I can make sure I don't have any leaks. So thanks for watching. See you next time.